On Wednesday, the 7th of January 2026, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had a telephone conversation with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Prime Minister Netanyahu briefed Prime Minister Modi on the latest developments surrounding the Gaza Peace Plan and updated him on its implementation status. According to a statement issued by the Prime Minister's office, the two leaders also exchanged New Year greetings and extended their wishes for peace and prosperity to the people of both countries. The Prime Minister's office said both leaders reaffirmed their shared commitments to fight terrorism, adopting a zero-tolerance approach towards terrorism in all its forms and manifestations. Prime Minister Modi and Prime Minister Netanyahu identified common priorities to further strengthen the India-Israel strategic partnership in the year ahead, guided by shared democratic values, deep mutual trust, and a forward-looking vision. The two leaders also exchanged views on regional and global developments of mutual interest and agreed to remain in close contact.